Earlier, it would take nearly 45 minutes to drive from Worli to Marine Drive in South Mumbai. Now, you could do the same journey in just 10 minutes on Mumbai's new coastal road that was launched on March 12th. The first phase of the coastal road covers the 10.5 kilometer stretch from Marine Drive to Worli. Vehicles can enter the coastal road from Worli Seaface, Haji Ali interchange and Amarson's interchange points and exit at marine lines. The second phase will be opened in May 2024. The total length of the coastal road is 53 kilometers and stretches till Dahisar. The project also includes underground tunnels, arterial roads and interchanges. It will be open for traffic from 8 am to 8 pm from Monday to Friday. No vehicles will be allowed on weekends. Heavy vehicles, excluding BEST and ST buses, passengers carrying vehicles, are restricted from entry, while two-wheelers, three-wheelers, animal-drawn carts and pedestrians will be prohibited altogether.